So, hey Optimist, a while back I posted a video saying that we are going to master Munstack and I disappeared for 2 weeks.
Idiot, you do it all the time. You need to rename your channel to the procrastinator.
Well, the reason is I had my semester exams.
Did you at least pass?
Well, let's not talk about it until the grades come out. Well, now I'm back and I'm hoping that we could build this channel and grow the community as I said in the previous video. And well, I'm thankful for the 2 people who subscribed to the channel after that video.
Me too.
That video can be either a motivational video or a troll video depending on what we can achieve in the next year. Well, if you are following this channel, you might be wondering why the hell is this guy talking about React instead of doing JavaScript projects? Well, to be honest, I watched my own JavaScript tutorials in this channel during my semester and it is boring. So I then realized why people ask us to build projects to learn a language. Well, you see, we can't just go out there and build an e-commerce site to learn a language. So we are going to start slow. So let's look at our goal, the merge stack and the data structures. Let's start with front end. So React it is.
We need to know JavaScript for that. How the hell am I going to start now?
Don't worry, I'll leave a link to JavaScript videos you need to watch in the description below. So let's first see the requirements to start a React project. First, we need to install React. Let's take a look at the React website. So to try React, we can either use some online platforms such as CodePen or to our React website using HTMLs. But the most used way or the common practice is using the create new React app. So let's look at how shall we do that. So let's just Google create React app. And the first website is a GitHub. This is an open source tool. Alright, now we are in the Create React App web page. So we need to type in our terminal npx create react app my app. So for Create React App to work, we need to have npm and Node.js installed. Alright, let's take a look at the Node.js website. So I have Node.js installed in my system. So install Node.js based on what operating system you use. I use Linux over here. I'll try to leave a link in the description on how to install Node.js for Windows and Mac. Alright, now let's get back to Create React App. So it says we need to type npx create react app, right? So let's get into the terminal. Let's create a new folder for the Optimist. And let's navigate inside it. And it's empty. So okay, let's create our first React app. Let's just say npx create react app to do. Alright, that's going to take some time. So create react app installs a lot of dependencies and it also has something that we don't need for the basic projects. So we'll be talking about what files to remove and create a basic template in the next video. Alright, see you in the next video.